Hello everyone. In this video we are going to know the block tree of animals of the Italian language. And we will also learn how to change masculine nouns from singular to plural. In English, we only need to add the letter S at the end of each word. However, in Italian, the ending that the word has in the singular will be the one that tells us how to convert it to the plural. We will know the first examples of how to do it. I remind you that in the main branch we have the term in English, and in the secondary branch its Italian translation appears. Let's start. In the light blue branch we have horse, which is called cavallo. On the opposite side, in the dark purple branch, we have horses. In order to transform the noun into the plural, we observe that the word in the singular ends in the letter O, and we are going to change it by the letter I, leaving cavalli. On the yellow branch, we have cat, which is called gato. Also note that this word ends in O. On the opposite side, in the orange branch, we have cats. We replace the final O by the letter I, and we will have gatti. On the red branch, we have elephant, which is called elefante. Now, see that this word is a different case because it ends in the letter E. To convert it to the plural, we are also going to change the letter E for the I. In the pink branch, we have elephants. We replace the final letter again and we have elefante. Finally, on the light purple branch, we have dog, which translates as cane. This word also ends in the letter E. So, on the other side, on the green branch, we find the word dogs, which when changing the last letter says cane. In general, to change the singular masculine nouns that end in the letter O or in the letter E, they are transformed to the plural, changing them by I. Keep in mind that there are also some exceptions that apply to regular nouns. We will review the words we learned in this session, alternating the singular and plural of each word. Cavallo, cavalli. Gatto, gatti. Elefante, elefanti. Cane, cani. I invite you to subscribe to my channel and please give me a like if this video was attractive to you. We meet soon in another video. Have a nice day.